Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya Net Foodish Ordar mapi Nginwan ramangi Hakerdob ying jongpi
Chief Executive Member Jonggak Hasil Autonomous District Council Lubak Penyat Sing Siem ulang berkidan hadu san pewajar ngut gi Samla ki belandang lastat hapok ka dengan jela Meghalaya ki be kini banyok tangi ki arah jarat Ïohkam hagi tnak terekam ke sorkar jela ya kini ubak penyat ulapen pau habakaran kumukong san haga kat lai trek unok pra arah jarat pausau haga convocation ceremony ulapen long da ka Anudip Foundation ke belaya trilang bagi HDFC Bank Parivartan ya ke belas dang nadu usnam arah jarat nyau Lingba ke Anudip Foundation dikispak ngut kesamla ke ulapen tebit yang syahikai kena Ïohkam bak lalak banjing lagi jonggi kejan. Ubak penyai ulaya ro ya ke Anudip Foundation bak ke HDFC Bank Parivartan ke belashim ya kan dikasenjam benweng gijing keduk kam keduk jam hak dengan jela Meghalaya.
Keeps burning, the more knowledge it spreads. Kindly give.
To the students, I think it's a big opportunity that you have got today. It's your transformation. You will be going out in the world, facing the world, and bringing change in your families, within your communities. And we all need to do that. Our freedom is about being independent. It's also about changing the communities where we come from. To our donors, Kritika, I think it's because of your support, your guidance, your investment, we have been able to catalyze change in the youth, transform this life. So, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
There are many unemployed youths in the state of Meghalaya. Almost, I think, more than 50,000 youths per year who are eligible to apply any job, right from grade 4 to any higher position. They are without job. And from the government sector directly, which can employ or which can advertise these different jobs in the government directly, there are only just 2,000 posts in a year. Just imagine 50 to 60,000 youths, unemployed youths who are here in the state of Meghalaya, but there are only 2,000 government job available in a year. And that too, 1,000, it is a permanent or regular job, and 1,000 is on-contractual, which are used to employ under different schemes of flagship program under government of India, and they used to call this government-aided project or fund. So this initiative, in fact, it's a need of the hour that Anudip has done today and for the last many years, and this also is a very, very important for the state of Meghalaya. So actually we need to empower our youths, not only in government sector, indirectly in many different trades. What I see, in my personal opinion, there are many youths who have been well qualified academically, but without no skills. So this is where we lack in Meghalaya, skill development in our youths. So this is very important. So I really appreciate you that you have come forward to join this training provider, this institute, Anudeep, to be part of it and get the opportunity and the platform to reach somewhere. You should aim the sky. Even if you reach a treetop, that is more than enough. So the government of India also has been trying so much to, empower our youths through different skill development programs in the whole country. And this will give you opportunity, especially what Anudeep has done today, will give you the opportunity to be in different sector, especially if we see the IT sector and corporate sectors is on the growth in India as a whole. So even international, abroad. So I really want to give you my best wishes to all of you, my dear students, that this is just the beginning of your new journey in your life. And may God lead you and bless you. And like what rightly said by the this main person of Anudeep today has spoken, that honesty is very important.